If you're looking to slim down that belly, it's crucial to cut these 5 drinks from your diet. Many folks dream of having a more toned midsection, but hitting that goal can be tough, especially when we're not paying attention to what we're drinking. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, stick around for the entire video, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep sharing valuable tips, relevant info, and tutorials aimed at boosting your well-being and health. Some drinks that we often think are harmless or even healthy can actually be contributing to belly fat. If you're serious about shedding that weight, it's time to rethink some of your drink choices. Let's find out which beverages are your biggest foes in this journey. 1. Sodas. Sodas are definitely top contenders when it comes to belly fat loss challenges. Packed with sugar and chemical additives, these drinks can ramp up visceral fat, which collects around your internal organs. Plus, the high sodium content promotes water retention, making it even harder to lose weight. Sodas, because of their high sugar and salt concentration, directly impact water retention. So, cutting them out is a huge win for weight loss, say nutrition experts. 2. Juices and sugary drinks. Beverages like chocolate milk, packaged juices, and other sugary drinks might seem convenient, but they're actually traps for anyone trying to lose belly fat. They're loaded with sugars, preservatives, and additives that boost their calorie count while lowering their nutritional value. These drinks may hide so-called hidden sugars, like glucose and fructose syrups, which metabolize quickly and lead to fat accumulation. Plus, consuming these can spike your glycemic index, leading to insulin spikes that favor fat storage. 3. Alcohol. Alcohol is another culprit that shouldn't be overlooked in your weight loss plan, especially when your focus is on your belly. Many people don't realize that regular alcohol consumption can be a major roadblock for anyone trying to lose weight, and don't think it's just beer that falls into this category. Every type of alcoholic drink comes from a fermentation or distillation process that starts with sugar. This process creates a beverage that has nearly double the calories of sugar itself, experts explain. When you drink alcohol, your metabolism prioritizes breaking it down, delaying the burning of the other foods you've eaten, leading to fat buildup. 4. Sweetened coffees and teas. If you love your coffee or tea, adding sugar can turn these beverages into weight loss foes. The extra sugar raises your glycemic index, promoting fat storage and triggering insulin release. Additionally, drinks like lattes and cappuccinos are often loaded with refined sugars and high calories, contributing to fat gain, not just in your belly but in other areas too. 5. Energy drinks. Energy drinks are popular for their energy-boosting effects, but if you're aiming for a leaner waistline, it's best to steer clear of them. Like sodas, they often have high sugar content, increasing water retention and elevating your glycemic index. Plus, excessive consumption of these drinks can cause insulin spikes, messing with your normal metabolic processes and contributing to abdominal fat accumulation. Watch out for hidden calories. It's important to recognize that many of the drinks mentioned might seem harmless and even healthy at first glance, but they all have a common enemy, sugar, which is one of the main villains in the weight loss fight. For this reason, being mindful of the beverages we include in our diets is a crucial part of the weight loss process, alongside healthy eating habits and regular physical activity. Cutting out sodas, sugary box drinks, alcoholic beverages, and other high-calorie options can be a game-changer for achieving a healthier body with less belly fat. Lose weight efficiently with natural thermogenics. If your goal is to shed some pounds effectively, along with avoiding certain beverages, it's crucial to tap into the potential of natural thermogenics that can help push you towards your goals. Every food we consume requires energy to be metabolized by our bodies. However, some stand out because they contain thermogenic substances that raise your body temperature, requiring more energy during digestion. This speeds up your metabolism and helps burn more fat to keep your internal temperature balanced. Below is a list of natural thermogenics that can make your weight loss journey a little easier. Your daily coffee and its importance. A lot of people around the world love starting their day with a good cup of coffee, a beverage that's influenced economies in various countries. Recent studies show that regular coffee consumption does not contribute to heart disease and can actually have health benefits. Its thermogenic effect can kick up your metabolism, boost your diet efforts, and increase your energy for workouts, plus it helps with fat burning. For these reasons, coffee is becoming more popular among those looking to lose weight. Green coffee, a powerful alternative. Known as green coffee, this type of coffee is unique due to how it is produced. Unlike traditional coffee, green coffee beans are not roasted, which softens their bitter flavor. This means that key nutrients like caffeine, antioxidants, and chlorogenic acid are preserved in greater amounts, amplifying their thermogenic effects and providing greater benefits compared to regular coffee. Green tea, your ally in the battle against weight. With a wealth of antioxidants, green tea is not just a fad, it's a powerful ally for anyone looking to lose weight. This tea, made from the Camellia sinensis plant, not only fights free radicals and helps prevent cell aging but also boosts energy and stamina. Its high concentration of caffeine and catechins speeds up metabolism, ramps up calorie burning, aids in digestion, and promotes regularity. On top of all that, green tea has diuretic properties that help reduce bloating and water retention in the body. You can find it in various forms, such as powder, tea bags, or capsules. Invest in your health and well-being by exploring the power of natural thermogenics. Dive into this journey of self-care and discover how small changes in your diet can lead to big transformations in your body. If you liked this video and haven't hit that like button or subscribed to our channel yet, now's your chance. That's how we can keep doing our work and bringing valuable, up-to-date health info to our followers and all those interested in enjoying good health. See you next time, and be sure to check out our other videos.